Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset your Ellipal X Card. There's no such option as reset here, but it can be reset by simply creating new wallet or recovering another wallet on this card. During that process you will be asked about resetting your card, so I can show you how to do it. I will go to create wallet, but you can recover it as well. And don't worry if you don't remember the pin for the card. I hope that you at least have the seed phrase somewhere handy, or that you don't have any funds on it. Then it's all fine, like we can reset it. But if you don't have your seed phrase and have any funds on the card, first transfer all the funds from the card to a different wallet, then you can reset it, right? I will select the create wallet as I said, then let's insert the card. It was set up by me just a few minutes ago in another video that I've created. Let's keep the card inserted. Now it asks for seed phrase option. I will select 12, but it's the best to select 24 for more security. Then insert a new pin that you want to set. You can see you can just select digits by going up or down, then clicking on this next button to approve. Now let's select the next one, right? Next one. Oh, it was very simple. And I'm setting it to something simple, but remember, don't set it to something that simple, because it will make your wallet vulnerable. Like anyone can take it and access it, so make sure you set it to something hard to guess. You can set it even to 16 digits, which is great. It's a big layer of security, let's say that. Now I'll need to confirm it, so like the wallet is sure I remember the pin, which is great. Now this question is the reset. If you want to reset existing wallet, click on yes. Make sure that your seed phrase is backed up, otherwise your assets will be lost. If you want to continue to reset, click on the OK button. Now it's creating the new wallet and basically resetting the already existing one. Okay, now click on OK. If you need a duplicate card, you can also do it. I have two more and they are also set up, so I could also do it. By the way, for duplicate cards, you can have different pins or copy the same pin from the main one. I will click on no. Then you need to back up your seed phrase, of course, as usual. Make sure that you don't digitize it. So what I mean by that is that you don't take a picture of it. Just write it down on a piece of paper. Piece of paper doesn't have access to the internet, and keep it somewhere safe so no one has access to it, and that you never lose it, because in case you do, you'll lose your funds, right? Let's click on next. And also I will be showing you my seed phrase, but only because I won't be transferring any funds ever. Now let's go here. You can see, like as I said, I won't be transferring anything here ever, so I can even take a picture of it, but you should write it down on a piece of paper. Or there are also I believe like you can get metal seed phrase sheets. So you can do it. Now select the number 3 word or whatever word it asks you for. In my case, it asks for the third word, so I'll need to select which one is correct. It was then it was also, and then it was resist. online, right? Right. Now I can remove the X card. I can click on OK. I can click on Next, Exit, and I can connect it to my Ellipal app. So I'll do it. I'll just go to my Ellipal app on the phone. I'll remove the currently existing wallet so you can see everything here. Well, okay, I have the Ellipal app. Click on Cold Wallet, X card, connect X card, enter the PIN that was set, submit, and scan your card with the phone. If it scans correctly, it'll start loading around the circle, and then select which assets to use, complete, and it's done. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.